actually want to see how I do my regular everyday e-girl look for streaming or, you know, just for everyday, go ahead and stay tuned. But don't forget to go ahead and leave a like on this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Alright, so as usual, we're going to start off with the bare, plain, clean face. Why the fuck did I lean into the camera like that? So first, we're going to start off with eyebrows. Going to clean them bitches up, as well as draw them on, because for some reason, my eyebrows don't be growing the right hair in the right places, and they just be looking patchy as shit. So I'm just going to use my NYX brow pencil, and yeah, the light did just go out, so yeah. And I'm also using this eyeshadow, the brown eyeshadow from this palette, to go ahead and help darken and clean up the eyebrows even more. Next, I'm taking my NYX concealer to go ahead and basically clean up my eyebrows and to prime my lids, basically, to make the eyeshadow pop, stay, whatever. I'm not a professional. So anyways, y'all like my backdrop? It's temporary because the makeup vanity room is a hot mess, and I was not about to let you guys actually see that shit. So yeah. Next, I'm going in with my Too Faced Peach palette. Is that shit upside down? That shit was totally upside down. I was having a brain fart. I couldn't remember which color I was using, but I'm pretty sure it was just a light shade of pink. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that all over my main part of my eyelid. I think that's right. Shit. And then I was going to take this orangey pinkish color. I couldn't remember because sometimes the colors don't show up right on my skin, but I think this was the right goddamn color. I mean, it looks like it. It doesn't show up well, but I'm pretty sure this is the color I use. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. All right. Foundation time. As usual, my Too Faced Born This Way, I think, foundation. Just going to cover here and there. I don't put a lot of foundation on because I don't really need that much coverage because I'm just buffing that shit into my skin, covering every crack and fucking imperfection. And then of course I'm going in with that same NYX concealer, right? And I'm just gonna highlight some of the parts where I normally highlight, you know, underneath the eyes to cover them bags and the stress and disappointment that I go through with every night. Moving on, I'm taking this contour palette, something that my little sister gave me, and I'm just gonna take the darkest shade. And I'm going to attempt to contour my nose to make it look smaller or get that cute anime girl nose, because Lord knows I don't have that shit, and putting that concealer on kind of made it lost. Yeah. Buff that shit out, or attempt to. I'm going in with some eyeliner. I don't know if I want to really do this on camera because I'm kind of blind. Yeah, I'm not doing this shit. Oh, wait a minute. I decided to do it. Okay, girl. We getting there. Don't fuck it up. Don't fuck it up. I got that girl. What's her name? Off of TikTok, she'd be like, don't fuck it up. Don't fuck it up. And then she'd be like, feel her in. Yeah, not bad. Then doing the other eye more close up so I can do this correctly. Not bad, looking kind of good. Go ahead and we're gonna set the foundation with my powder foundation from MAC. Bitch, I don't know. How the fuck do people be doing these voiceovers? This shit kind of hard. Okay, so now we're moving into the blush. Just mixing these two colors just to make myself, I guess, the clownery. And I used the wrong brush. That was my fucking foundation brush. Clearly I used the wrong fucking brush and I'm mad about that shit. Anyways, getting the right fucking brush. We're gonna go ahead and, yeah. Girl, I was like, this pink, I don't know about this pink. This don't show up right. I think this is the wrong color, but hell. You know what the worst part is? I'll be actually doing my makeup like this and I can't even tell it'd be the wrong shade of blush because I just be streaming at night. Anyways, I'm gonna add some fake freckles with another NYX contour concealer damn thing. I actually have my own freckles, but that shit be like getting, you know, covered up with the foundation. So I gotta put them shits back on. Alright, time to do my least favorite part because I always fuck this shit up. Just go ahead and create like a big illusion of my eyes being like anime-like, I guess, by taking this big white NYX pencil and basically kind of just waterlining it, I think. But we getting there. I'm getting better at this shit for real. Be looking kind of cute. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and take my eyeliner and create like, basically like, I don't know, the bottom lash, the bottom line. I'm lining that shit and then I'm creating fake eyelashes because your girl don't even have actual bottom lashes to put on, and even if I did, I wouldn't know how to fucking do it. So don't fuck that shit up. I never know how many to put like on the bottom, so it's just you go by what you think is right enough. Then take some mascara. Gonna go ahead and mascara them eyelashes that don't really exist. It be doing something though. I got a little something there. Then I'm actually gonna put on some eyelashes that I had left over because we just recycled the same eyelashes, because I'm not about to put on some new pair of eyelashes for a YouTube video or for streaming. I'm sorry, I don't like y'all enough to actually be wasting my good eyelashes. Old eyelashes can get it. Next, just go ahead and put on your favorite cute streaming outfit and do your hair up all cute like. Pout them damn lips and flutter those eyelashes, and you are all set to stream. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye-bye.
I know that we just met the other night, but I can't get you off my mind.